What's up, guys? Fernando here from Shine the Truck. It's been a little while since I posted on here. I figured I'd post this beautiful ride for my buddy Jared Massey, hauling the Nascar fuel to the track out here in Phoenix, Arizona. Check out this beautiful ride, guys. We polished out the fifth wheel. We polished out his wheels. Check out that shine, guys. Yes, sir. Got the tanks polished out. Let's go. Mirror finish. We did his breathers this time. Got the visor done. Oh yeah, you don't get much better than this, guys. Jared takes great care of his truck, brings it out here to us to polish it out for him. It's beautiful, guys. Check it out. We polished it, pulled it in the truck wash, got it washed, hand dried. Got the tire shine. Yes, sir. It's ready to go onto the track. I appreciate you, Jared. Thanks for the business, my friend. It's always a pleasure having you around. And we'll see you next time, buddy. Stay shining, guys. There it is. If you're looking for some shine, come check us out. Hilo, Arizona, Little Sister's Truck Wash. Shine a truck. We're out.